What's up? Today I'm talking about how best to maintain your beard. A lot of people ask me this on a daily basis. Nick, what's the best way to grow my beard out? Well, the main things you have to look out for is making sure your hair is not tangled and not dry. That'll give your beard the best foundation to grow. But this has to be said, your beard is not going to grow if it's not genetically coded to grow. Every beard starts with DNA. If it's not coded for you, it's not going to happen. No matter what you do, no matter what you take, it's not going to happen. But for the guys who do have the beard, this is the way that I like to take care of my beard. So step one, I add moisture. For you, this will be a hot shower to get it nice and steamy and wet. The heat will help the water penetrate layers of the hair to keep it moisturized longer. So for me, since I'm not in a hot shower, what I do, and also what I do for my clients for beard treatments, is I use a beard steamer. All right, so now that I have my beard nice and moisturized with hot water, I'm gonna want to cleanse my beard. Make sure it's sulfate free because you don't want to strip away too much moisture from your beard. And also condition it. Shampoo with no sulfate and condition your beard in the shower. But for me, I use this foam concoction that I got from Rashid the barber. So I put a couple pumps in my palm and I'm gonna rub this through. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna wash this out in the shower with water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a hot towel. And this is what I use for my clients when I'm working as well. Whew, feels good. And I'm gonna let the heat sit a little bit so I can let heat and moisture further penetrate. So now my beard is moisturized and cleansed. Next step, I know you've probably heard this, but oil obviously doesn't add moisture to your beard. What it does is it keeps the moisture into your hair a little longer. Obviously not forever, because then I wouldn't need to do this, but more than once in my life. So I'm gonna add a little bit of beard oil. A product I really like is the Shea Moisture Beard Conditioning Oil. So I'm gonna do a couple pumps in there. It depends on the size of your beard. Some people may take 3 pumps, some people may take 10. I'm gonna do about 4 or 5. Rub it through. Notice I haven't combed my beard yet. I don't want to even touch a comb to my beard until it's properly moisturized. Because again, I don't want to promote shedding. Shedding is when your hair falls out due to like friction, or in this case, combing your beard out before it's moisturized. I don't want to pull any hairs out that I don't need to. That'll keep it looking thick and voluminous. So the next step is I want to take a cream. So some people they can use like a curl cream if that's readily available. I have this beard conditioning cream that I also got made specially from Rashid the barber. But there's plenty of things out there. Just a cream. A cream will help soften it. Think of it like lotion. So I'm gonna get about this much. And rub it through. All right. My next step is I'm gonna take a beard balm. So I also like Shea Moisture's beard balm. That works pretty well. I also have this beard balm made by Rashid the Barber. I keep talking about Rashid the Barber. I took a class with him a couple months ago. He shared a lot of great information, and also he gets a lot of products made by a chemist. I don't know who the chemist is, but he sells them through his shop, so I like to pick up some things from him every so often. But I'm actually going to use the Shea Moisture Beard Balm today because it's more readily available. You can pick this up in like Target. Like, it's that easy to get. So the way I do it is I like to fill up my nail bed with it. I scrape and now I filled up my nail. I don't know if you could see, but you get the idea. Rub it through your hands. It may be cold in your house or warm. If it's cold in your house, you might have to warm it up in your palm a little longer. And rub it through. You don't need much of this, especially after the oil and the cream and all the moisture from the water. But what this does is it styles your beard. So it'll keep it staying out longer because, you know, especially black men, we have coily hair for our beard. So we may have a much longer beard when you pull it out straight, but it's coiled, so it looks shorter. But as you will see, now that I have this on my beard, once I go to style my beard, it'll keep the style longer. This is a fine tooth comb. Some people have short beards or short and straight beards, and for them, they can use a comb with finer teeth. So when I comb out my beard, I'm going to use a blow dryer. The heat from the blow dryer, not too much heat. There's 3 settings of heat. I'm just going to use one button. So it's just going to be warm. It's going to help straighten out some of those hairs, stretch them out, again, so you can see more of that length. All right, as you can see now, it's very easy to comb through my beard. My beard looks a lot fuller, bigger. And now that I have pomade in it, I can sculpt it to my liking just with a couple taps from my hand. You know, if you're not able to get to the barber and get that clean trim, this is really great. And sometimes when you're growing your beard out, you don't want to get it trimmed every visit to the barber. If you know how to do this to your beard, you can keep it looking really, really clean in between haircuts for a long time. So maybe you just want to get it lined up and then do this to your beard and avoid the trimming so that you can grow it as long as possible. So there's the finished product. Mommy's coming. Yeah, watch some TV. I'm almost done. So here's the finished product. Looking full, dark, nice shine to it. Let me know what y'all think. Hopefully this is helpful. Y'all let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. Peace out.